So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Whoa, look at what it is! It's a bulldozer! Are you ready to learn about bulldozers with me? Yeah! Let's go! Now it's time to operate the bulldozer! Woo! Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so fast! Before we operate the bulldozer, we need our safety equipment. Whoa! Look! I have my hard hat on. Yeah! And my safety vest. Ooh! Orange and yellow. Now we're ready. Come on! Was a big bulldozer push. What is this? This looks like a vacuum from the 1600s. And it's in our way. So I think we should bulldoze the vacuum. Are you ready to learn about the parts of the bulldozer with me? Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the front. Whoa, wow, this right here is the blade. And the blade is used to push anything and everything out of its way. Whoa! Do you see up there? Those are the sweeps. And when the blade pushes large trees out of its way, if the tree falls down, it won't hit the driver in the cab. The cab! Whoa! Up there is the cab. Yeah, that's where the driver and the operator sits. That's so cool. Whoa, and look at these. Wow, these are the tracks. Whoa, the tracks are really useful for going over mud, dirt, rocks, debris, anything, and it won't even get stuck. Oh, and look at this compartment. Whoa, this compartment, yeah, is full of the hydraulics. It powers the blade, the tracks, and the scratchy-mabobs. Oh, come here! I love the scratchy-mabobs. Yeah, these, also known as the Ripper, rips up anything and everything on the ground, so it makes it nice and soft for the bulldozer. And another compartment. Whoa. This compartment is the electrical compartment, and it has 2 batteries because this machine is so big. Oh, and I almost forgot, the engine. Come over here. Wow, that engine is so massive. And this machine is so cool. Hey, I was just doing the Dozer dance. Will you do the Dozer dance with me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay, first you raise up your hands and your arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade, like this. Okay, and then you move your feet like the bulldozer tracks. So it looks like this. Good job! Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the Dozer dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah, okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Bulldozer dance. Stand up tall, on 2 feet, from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
It's a bulldozer dance.
Whoa! We are inside the bulldozer. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need, our seatbelt on. Okay, let's buckle that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, and look at this. Wow, this is the instrument cluster. See? The lights, the windshield wipers, and the key. And once you turn it on, then from there, the bulldozer has power! And right here, this joystick, whoa, whoa! When you push forward, it goes forward. Backward, you reverse, left, and go right! Wow! And this joystick over here, whoa! This operates the blade. So, left, right, down, and up! Ooh. And this operates the ripper. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. What I'm doing here is bulldozing down some old dead trees. So then it'll make some room so we can plant some new ones.
Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah! I love bulldozers!
are such amazing pieces of machinery. Now it's time for the Bulldozer song.
Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozer stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll on, Bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the bulldozer.
It's a yellow machine. Roll on, Bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the bulldozer.
It's a yellow machine.
Woohoo! Woohoo! That was so much fun learning about bulldozers with you. Well, you gotta keep on keeping on. Life's a garden. Dig it. You just gotta make it work for you. So, anywho, if you wanna watch more of my videos, you know what to do, right? Yeah, just search for my name. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you later.
Come on, everyone.
Whoa! Hey! You probably didn't recognize me with my hard hat on and my safety vest. Oh, and look down here. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, this and that back there, these are what's called a skid steer. And today, in this video, I am gonna show you some fun things to do with the skid steer. Come on! Okay, gotta get this nice and perfect. I'm ready. Hey, seatbelt on. Lap bar down. Let's fire up. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Will you pick a skid steer with me so we can drive it? Yeah, come on. There's so many right here. Should we drive this one? Nah. What about this one? Whoa, nah. This one? It's a dandy, but nah. This one? No. Whoa. This one looks awesome. Okay, I'm gonna drive it, but in order to drive it, we need some safety equipment on. Okay, got my hard hat, and then I got my safety vest. It's nice and bright and orange, so then everyone can see us. It's so safe. Okay, and last but not least, check that out. I got the keys. Okay, seatbelt. Lap bar. Here we go. Do you hear that engine purr? Yeah, nice purr. Meow. Okay, yeah, here I go. Side of the skid steer. See? I'm wearing my safety belt. That is the first rule. All right, now I'm buckled in. These are how you operate the skid steer. This one makes the skid steer go forward. Whoa, backward, left and right. Woo, whoa. And then this one operates the bucket. Pull it back, it raises. Push it forward, it lowers. Okay, now I'm gonna lower the lap bar and then scoop a giant bucket. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you to get away real quick by the horn. Watch out. Here I come. Yay! I'm driving the skid steer. Whoa! Whee! Look at the bucket. Whoa! Whoa! Watch this! I'm gonna raise the bucket really high in the sky. Okay, I'll bring it back down. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna take off now. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you the parts of the skid steer. Come on. Right here? Yeah, this is a bucket, and it's pretty big. Ooh, and these are the hydraulic cylinders that attach to the attachment. Ooh, and the loader arm, wow, the loader arm is what lifts up the attachment and down the attachment. And this hydraulic cylinder is the loader arm hydraulic cylinder. Oh, look! These, yeah, are the wheels and the tires. Whoa! 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 Come on! Whoa. Back here is where the engine of the skid steer is. Look at this. Whoa! 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 Check this out! Wow! We have the radiator, where you put the oil, the diesel, the air filter! Ah! And my favorite part, whoa! Where you check the engine oil. Do you see it? Yep, looks pretty good. Let's put that back right there. Okay. let's close this. Okay, let me show you some more. These are pretty important. Look, these are the auxiliary hydraulics. This is what the attachments get its power from. Whoa, wow. Whoa, so shiny. Ooh, look. Wow, this right here? Yeah, it's not a skid steer. No, this is a compact track loader. And the reason why they call that is because right here, these are tracks. They're not wheels and tires. These tracks are really good to go over mud and dirt, and you won't get stuck. Whoa! 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 Driving the skid steer. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the bucket, and then we're gonna choose a different attachment. Watch this. Did you see what I just did? See? This is where the attachments attach to. Whoa! Well, now that there's nothing here, I think we should go find one. Whoa! Look at all of them. Well, that's the bucket, obviously. And then some pallet forks used to pick up some pallets. Wow! And then the trencher, it digs some trenches. We'll come back here. Whoa! Look at all these bristles. This is called Sweeper McGee. And it cleans a bunch of roads and driveways and streets. Ooh! And some auger bits. Look at these. They're like giant screws. And then a Harley rake. This is used to prepare some soil. And then over here, we just have a bunch of grapple buckets. Wow! Okay, now we need to pick one of our favorites. How about, yeah, some pallet forks. Okay, come back here. I'm gonna hop back in, and then we'll go grab the pallet forks. Watch! Alright, you have to get nice and straight. Okay, there they are. Oh, line it up, perfect. And to know if you got it, you have to curl the attachment. So let's see if it falls off. Oh! See? It just fell off. Good thing we tested that. Okay, now we gotta try it again. Okay, I think it's locked in, but like I said, we have to test it. So check this out. Yeah! It didn't fall off, so we're good to go! Now, let's go pick up a pallet! Pallet over here. Take the pallet forks. Okay, straight. Lower it. Perfect. We're good to go. Slowly but surely, let's lift it up. bunch of garbage next to the pond. I think we should clean it up and dump it out. Okay, we have a bucket. Put in the bucket. Ooh, ew. I love cleaning up the environment. Okay, here we go. Woo, come over here. Look, another trash bag. Okay, and then, oh, a nice chair. Looks like someone fell through though. Okay, put that in the bucket. Ooh, here's another. That's a lot of trash we cleaned up. Good job. Woo! And we have a piece of cardboard. Oh, what's this? Looks like a cable. Gotta get that. Whoa, where does it go to? Whoa! Whoa! This was in the swamp down there. Oh! Look! It's a vacuum from the 1700s. We should throw that away too. Okay. Ooh, and a couple more. Looks like we have another trash bag and some kitty litter. Woo. Okay. Wow. Good job. Phew. Okay, now let's go to the dumpster and dump it out. Okay, go. All right, looks good right there. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Here we go! Yeah! We just helped out the environment. Okay, now it's time for the skid steer song.
Hey now, looky here. I got a brand new skid steer. A small engine-powered machine, and it can do most anything. It's a snow blower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snow blower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. My skid steer can load a truck, push some heavy things and carry heavy stuff. It can dig down in the dirt, like basements under homes built into the earth. It's a snow blower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snow blower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. On 4 wheels and on tracks as well. That's my skid steer. My skid steer. Dig down in the 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 my skid steer.
Woo! That was so much fun learning about skid steers today with you. If you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Yep, just search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Well, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun.
Hey, we're at the Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix. Oh, and look at these. These are go-karts. And this is a green go-kart. This is a red go-kart. And this is a blue go-kart. I am so excited. Look at these two go-karts. They're my two favorite colors. This go-kart is the color orange. And this go-kart, yeah, is the color blue. Now it's time for me to teach you the parts of a go-kart. Oh, hey, and look at this. Yeah, it's a go-kart. So the first thing on go-karts are all of them have 4 wheels and tires. See right here? This is a wheel and tire, and it's really small. It's so cute. So this is the first wheel and tire. This is the second wheel and tire. This right here is the third wheel and tire. Ooh. And this is the last wheel and tire. It's the fourth wheel and tire. Whoa. Ooh, and look at this. Yeah. This, that's the bumper guard. It's there to keep you safe, so then you don't run and drive into things like this. Whoa! All right. Woo! Whoa. Look at this back here. This? Yeah, this is the spoiler. They put spoilers on go-karts and super fast cars because it creates some downforce and it adds about 3 million horsepower to the vehicle. Wow, that's fast. Ooh, and look down here. This is the engine of the go-kart. It has an air filter, spark plug, muffler, oil, and so many other things. Well, how the engine gets all of its power is it needs some fuel. Just like how you and I need food, the go-kart needs food too. And right here, yeah, right here is the gas tank. Whoa, I think you and I should fill it up and put in some gas in the go-kart. Let's put our safety glove on. Here we go. Wow. All right, put the spout right here. Turn it up. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I think it's nice and full now. So let's put the cap back on. Oh yeah, nice and tight. Then we turn on the on switch right there. Then all you have to do is pull the string. 3, 2, 1. A little harder this time. Even a little harder this time. Yeah, good job. Whoa. All right, so this right here, this is the seat of the go-kart. This is where the driver, yeah, me, you, this is where we get to sit today. So, let's take a seat. Whoa, yeah, I kind of like this. Okay, but first things first, when operating a go-kart, yeah, safety first. Let's put on our seatbelt. Just like we're in a vehicle, any vehicle, you should wear a seatbelt. All right, here we go. Oh, and down here, is the gas pedal. That's what makes you go forward and backward. And this is the steering wheel. Whoa! This is what turns the go-kart. Here we go! Riding go-karts is so much fun! The cool thing about go-karts are there's so many different kinds, like the ones we just rode, and then also these ones. Come look! Look at this! This go-kart is so small! That's funny! Ooh, there's one up here for you and I to ride. Whoa, yeah, this green cart looks like a dandy. All right. We need to turn it on. So, you remember, you put on your glove, and then give it a pull. Yeah! Whoa! The cool thing about these small go-karts are anyone that's 38 inches or above can ride. Woo! Whoa! And trust me, I'm above 38 inches. So first things first. Yeah! Safety first. Gotta put on your seatbelt. Nice and tight. All right, now the gas pedal. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? I just crashed. But since go-karts only go forward, you have to use this tool when you crash into something because you can't go forward anymore. See? It's like a piece of rebar with a hook on the end. Wow. Okay, check this out. Hook it under there. Give it a little pull. Wow, this is heavy. All right. Yeah! Yeah! Now we can go to drive again. Here we go. Oh, that was really fun riding this go-kart. But I think now is the perfect time to ride the big carts. Whoa! Ooh, look at what it is. Wow, this is a big kid's go-kart. Yeah, it's so powerful. It's so powerful, it was even imported from the country of France. Ooh, and check that out down there. Yeah! This go-kart has LED headlights and go to the back. And it even has tail lights. Do you see them? And when you push on the brake, yeah, it even has working brake lights. Whoa, this go-kart is so powerful, you need to be 16 years old and have a valid driver's license. Lucky for me, I'm both. Yeah! So that means we can start it up. So let's flip on the switch and give it a pull. Whoa! It sounds like it has so much power too. So let's take a seat in the seat. And let's put on our seat belt because it has so much power. Whoa. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be so much fun. All right, are you ready? Here I go. Whoa! with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Yeah, Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.